10 take away 3 equals something. Now this equation is exactly the same as 3 plus something equals 10. So as you can see, the numbers have just been changed in order, but it's still going to get the same answer. We're still looking here for the answer, and that answer is going to be the same there. Now because we're super clever, we know what that answer is, but let's use a number line to figure it out. So on a number line, you're always looking to put the smallest number at the left-hand end, and the biggest number at the right-hand end. So we know that the smallest number, that's 3, and the biggest number, that's 10. Now the number line is going to help us jump to figure out how many there are in between. So here we go. We could jump in 1s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or we could be super clever and know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. So by knowing that these two equations are the same, we know that 10 take away 3 equals 7, because we know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now here's a slightly trickier problem. 32 take away 23 equals something. This equation is exactly the same as 23 plus something equals 32. Now just like before, we're going to put the smallest number in the left hand box and the biggest number in the right hand box. So let's do that. Here we're going to put our 23, and on the right hand box our 32. Now because this equation is going to jump through a 10, because we know that there's a tidy 10 here, we're going to put that extra box to help us. So let's see. How many are we going to add to 23 to get to the nearest tidy 10? Well, the nearest tidy 10 to 23 is 30, isn't it? If we round up, we're going to get to 30. How many did we need to add to get there? Well, I'm very clever, just like you are, and I know that when I see a number ending in a 3, I add 7 to get to the tidy 10. So let's add that 7. 23 plus 7 equals 30. Now we haven't quite made it all the way to 32, so we do need to add a little bit more to get from 30 to 32. We're very clever. Let's do that. 30 plus 2 equals 32. Now here's the trick. How much have we added all together here? To get from 23 to 30, we've added 7. To get from 30 to 32, we've added 2. 7 plus 2, well that's 9, isn't it? 9. 23 plus 9 equals 32. Now because we solved this bottom equation here and found out that the question mark equals 9, 23 plus 9 equals 32, we can flip that around to say that 32 take away 23 equals 9. So the answer is 9.